Yo, what's up guys? This is Kiko Mallari and welcome to Kiko Mallari TV. And for today, I am hungry, so let's do something about food. Okay, so check this out. Okay, I found this Samyang Buldak Carbonara hot chicken flavor ramen that I bought in a Korean market yesterday, and let's make this instant noodle and turn into something more special, more delicious, and more enjoyable to eat. Okay, so if you like this video, just please like and subscribe and share and comment what do you want me to do next. So for the meantime, let's try this Samyang Buldak Carbonara hot chicken flavor ramen and turn into something more delicious and more delightful to eat. Okay, so stay tuned and let's do this. Okay, so first of all, let's open this pack. Okay, and get this seasoning, the buldak, and there's one more. Maybe this is a chili something, and now it's empty. Okay, so let's open up this. For a better presentation, I think that we are all set now. And yo, what's up? This is the moment of truth. So TML Vietnam boys will taste and will try the noodles, and they will say their opinion and their verdict from that noodles that we made, from that Samyang Buldak Carbonara chicken ramen noodle. So let's go.
Consumer reaction, right? No need to answer.
No need to have any reaction.
Good, long, delicious.
Wow, okay. Alright.
Thank you, Kiko.
Alright. Okay.
Sarap. Bye-bye.
And the next one is, of course, Risky TV. Will have his own verdict and own reaction. Okay, so now he's. I haven't. Yeah,
You haven't tasted this?
I haven't tasted.
Here we go. I don't know how to use the chopstick.
No problem.
Is it okay?
Yeah, sure.
So don't forget to subscribe Kiko Mallari TV.
Wow, thank you for blogging. Thank you for promoting my blog.
Okay.
My YouTube channel. Let's go. The moment of truth.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god, wait. Oh my god.
Oh my
I
god.
mean, the taste and the texture of the tomato sauce, well done.
This tomato sauce.
Oh,
Tomato sauce.
it's kind of taste of like spaghetti. Really good. No. To be honest, it's good. Not because it is my favorite food. Yeah, it's like an Italian and Japanese collaboration of bachata and cumbia. Good.
All right.
Very good.
Okay. Thank you, Rice. And now it's Andrew's turn to have a verdict. Okay. All right.
Edit yun, edit yun.
Okay.
Ang daya naman ni Andre, ang daming cake, ang daming subo niyan. Ang daya mo. Subo na naman.
Good. It's very good. Have take two.
I'm not kidding, it's really good.
Me.
Oh my God!
Later.
But the fuck? Ano mga vlog, no? Lateral. Uy! May ayawan niya.
Tama na.
Again.
Jeff,
Take two.
Jeff turns. Oh my God! Don't consume all the noodles.
Very good.
Oh my God!
Mongwa.
Talking pig. Oh my God!
Alright,
Oh my
thank you.
God!
Okay.
Oh my God! It's a talking pig.
And now it's Jeff's turn to have his own opinion and verdict.
Let me try. Okay. Here we go. Let's try this. Oh my God! Wow!
This is so good. Can you teach me how to doggy? How to put this one?
Yes, sure. I will
Nice,
teach you.
Kiko. Good job. This, I remember the food, ramen.
Ramen.
The food of Masrado Ramen.
It reminds me of ramen. Only reminds me. Sarap.
Alright.
Sarap.
Okay.
You know what sarap? Kiko, sarap.
Wow, sarap! So there you have it, guys. They have their verdict, and they said that it's really good, and I did a pretty good job. Wow. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for subscribing. Please like and subscribe this video if you like the video, and share it, like, and comment, and we will do another one and more. So see you guys, and thank you so much, and peace out.